So you've probably heard the terms API and SDK thrown around all the time, right? Especially in tech. But what do they actually mean? Well, they're basically two of the most important tools in modern software development. They are the invisible engines making our digital world tick. Okay, let's dive into this and finally clear up the difference once and for all. Okay, so what it really boils down to is this. APIs and SDKs are all about making life easier for developers. And because of that, we get these seamless experiences on our phones and computers every single day. You can think of them as the digital messengers and the complete toolkits that build the world we live in online.
I mean, of course you have, right? We all have. You click one little button and bam, you're in. You don't have to create yet another password that you're just going to forget anyway. But have you ever actually stopped to wonder how that works?
Yeah, that little bit of magic? It's not magic at all. It's actually a perfectly engineered conversation happening between two totally different applications, and it's all made possible by these powerful tools. They're the reason so much of the internet just works.
So here's the super simple breakdown before we get into the nitty-gritty. An API is like a messenger. It carries requests and responses back and forth. An SDK, on the other hand, is the entire toolkit you'd use to build something new from scratch. Let's break that down even more.
First up, the API. And to really get what an API does, let's just forget about code for a second and picture something we all know really well. You're sitting in a restaurant, you've got the menu in your hand.
So what you really need to get here is that an API, which stands for Application Programming Interface, is basically a contract. It's a really strict set of rules that lets different software programs talk to each other, without either one having to know all the messy internal details of how the other one is built.
And this analogy just illustrates the whole thing perfectly. You don't march into the kitchen yourself, right? No, you give your order, your request, to the waiter. The waiter is the API. That waiter knows exactly how to talk to the kitchen, the server, and brings back exactly what you asked for. That's the response. The API is the perfect go-between. And once you know what to look for, you'll see this literally everywhere. When Spotify uses your Facebook profile to log you in, that's an API call. When your Uber app shows you a Google map, that's an API. Your weather app isn't some crazy meteorological station. It's just using an API to ask a weather service for the latest forecast. It's all about connecting services that already exist.
All right, so now let's switch gears and talk about the SDK. If the API is the waiter, well, the SDK is like getting a kit to build your very own restaurant from the ground up.
You see, an SDK, or software development kit, isn't just a set of rules for talking. Oh no, it is a huge package. It gives a developer everything, and I mean everything, they need to create a new application for a specific platform, like iOS for iPhones or Android.
I absolutely love this analogy. It's perfect. Imagine you want to build a bicycle. Sure, you could go out and find every single screw yourself, weld the frame, and try to figure it all out from scratch. Or you could buy an SDK, the bicycle kit, that already has all the parts, all the special tools, and a detailed instruction manual to make the whole process way faster and way more reliable.
So what's actually in that kit? You get a ton of stuff. You get libraries of pre-written code so you're not constantly reinventing the wheel. You get compilers that turn your code into a real, working app, and debuggers to help you fix it when it inevitably breaks. You get sample code, and crucially, you get the instruction manual, the documentation. And here's the kicker. SDKs almost always include one or more APIs to help the new app you're building talk to other services.
Okay, now this is cool because it shows you what an SDK actually looks like to a developer. See, it's not just one thing. It's a whole structured set of folders and files. You've got directories for source code, for documentation, for libraries and tools. It's a whole development environment, all packaged up and ready to go. So now that we know what they are, the big question for any developer is, okay, when do I reach for an API and when do I need a full-blown SDK?
This table just lays it all out nice and clean. Let's just run through it real quick. So for the core role, an API is all about communication. An SDK is about creation. When you look at the contents, an API is just the set of rules, the endpoints. But an SDK, it has those APIs, plus libraries, compilers, all the tools. And here's a really key difference: scope. APIs can usually work on any platform, but SDKs, they're often built for a specific one, like the iOS SDK for making iPhone apps.
And you know, this whole distinction, it's not just some academic difference. It is a huge deal in business right now. Get this. According to a 2024 report from Postman, a staggering 74% of organizations are now what they call API first. And that's not just a buzzword, it's a huge shift in strategy. It means companies are building their software as a collection of smaller, specialized services that all need to talk to each other. This whole API-first approach puts these digital messengers right at the heart of modern business.
So really, the choice boils down to one simple question. Are you trying to integrate or are you trying to build? If you just need to pull in some weather data or process a PayPal payment, you use an API. If you need to build a brand new iPhone app from the ground up, you're going to download that iOS SDK. So as we bring this all home, it's so important to see that these two things don't compete with each other. They actually work together. They collaborate to build the digital world that we all live in.
This is probably the most important takeaway from all this. It is rarely a fight, API versus SDK. It's almost always a story of API times SDK. A developer uses an SDK as their main toolkit, and one of the most important tools inside that kit is an API that lets their new creation talk to the rest of the world.
If you take away just one single thing from this entire explainer, let it be this simple, powerful idea. APIs connect software. SDKs create software. It's that simple.
Understanding this relationship, it really opens up a new way of seeing everything online. Every app, every website, every service, it's a combination of new creation and interconnected communication. So the next time you use that one-click login, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the curtain. And the only question left is, with these amazing tools at our disposal, what will be built next?